This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable bowls, specifically these Thermo Ergo-Grip bowls and lids. They come in 8, 12, and 16 ounce sizes, and you can see the actual diameter of these bowls is the same, which means there's just one lid size that'll work for all of them, which is a great feature because you only have to stock one lid size, even if you're buying multiple bowls. They have a crystal clear finish to show off your foods and are suitable for both hot and cold foods, meaning whether you're serving soup or salad, these will do the job. They're made from recyclable, BPA-free plastic, making cleanup quick and easy for either your staff or your customers. The stackable design saves space in busy kitchens, and the lids fit securely to contain things like dressings, soups, sauces, and, well, whatever you can put inside. The bowls also feature a nice little design feature down here to help provide a nice secure grip on them. The open spots on the top and bottom are great for things like ingredient labels or stickers for branding. They're great for a variety of food establishments like delis, use at salad bars, sandwich sub shops, or just any place else where you need to serve hot or cold foods and you need a great little bowl, whether it's for eating in or to go.